Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to raise event from our custom binary composite control. In the last video, we handled the click event of a button in the control itself. Now we will raise an event when the calculation result is negative. That means we are performing addition as well as subtraction, right? So when the result is negative, that time we will raise an event from our binary composite control so that the web form can handle the negative result event. The raised event can be handled by the client web form. That's what we are going to see here. Now let's go to the demo. So here is our binary composite control, and we are already exposing the event called result negative. Now we will see how to raise this event from our custom control. So the calculation is happening on the click of the button, right? So this is our add result, and this one is for the subtract result. So let's go to the add result, and we will place a if condition here. All right. So first we are displaying the result. After that we are checking n1 plus n2. So if it is less than 0, then we make use of the member result negative, right? So we declared the result negative here, and in the click event handler, right, we are checking n1 plus n2. If it is less than 0, result negative dot invoke. So this is how we are raising the event, and if you see, we are passing this object. That means the control, that's the sender, and argument, event argument, we are passing empty. That means when client is handling this event, they won't receive any event argument. We are passing empty. We are just giving the indication that the negative result was produced, right? If required, we can do this for subtraction as well, and we will place the similar if condition. This time we are using n1 minus n2, and if it is negative, once again we are raising the event, right? That's all here. We will rebuild the solution, and the binary composite control is ready. We will go to our web form. So let's go to the view code on our tester. Let's have more room by collapsing all this. This is the page load, right? In page load, we will check this dot is post back. So if it is a post back, we will set the label text as empty, and we need a label, right? We will place that label here. It's in the toolbox. We'll go to property, and we will set some font here. We'll choose Arial black, and for color we will pick some for color here. That's all. By default it will hold label 1, and we can use that here. Label1.txt equal to empty if it is post back. So in each post back we are clearing the text content I mean the label content, and we will use this label just to report the negative result. Right, let's go to our web form and we will pick our binary composite control, and we'll go to properties and click on the event. Now if you see, the result negative event is displayed because our binary composite control is exposing that event, right? Result negative. That's why it is displayed here on the event tab. Let's go ahead. Right, result negative. If you double click here, we will be handling the event. So inside the event handler, we can make use of our label control, label 1 dot text. So we will append the content, whatever is there in the text, we will add a new text stating result is negative. And if you see, we are using the BR tag for line break. That's all here. Let's rebuild the client also and run it. So label, if you don't want to display anything, okay, in the page load we are clearing it, right? So let me give 5 here and 4. So add doesn't produce any negative result. Subtract, that will also doesn't produce any negative result. But the moment I give 6 here, add will not give any negative result, but subtract will give negative result, and you can see the event is handled and our label is displaying negative result found. Right, this label is updated by the control itself, but the second label is updated by the web form. By means of handling the result negative event, it is updating the label. Right, right. Since add as well as subtract both produce the negative result, the event is fired 2 times in our client code. Right, the control raised the event 2 times and that got handled in the web form 2 times. That's why you are seeing result negative 2 times here. That's all here in this video. We are ending this sub-series. In the next sub-series, we will talk about the login controls provided by the ASP.NET. Thank you for watching. Bye.